Hi, and welcome to this video, how do I customize word layout in Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2015 Simple Formatting. My name is Klaus Rundström, MVP for Microsoft Dynamics NAV. This video was made in collaboration with Platan and Microsoft. At the end of this video, we will see how easy it is in Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2015 to make simple formatting changes in Word in an existing built-in report with word layout. An example is Sales Invoice Report 1306. Objective of this video is to show you how it's possible to create a custom report layout based on an already built-in Word layout, and then make a few simple changes to the custom layout in Word. The custom report layout page is used to create and manage custom report layouts for a selected report. Out of the box, the list is empty because there's no custom report layouts released with NAV 2015, since you will be creating your own custom report layouts. A Word report layout is a Word document with content controls laid out in freeform or in table structures. Tables can even be repeating. The content controls themselves map to fields in the report dataset. In Word, we're going to make some simple format customizations. Before setting the new custom report layout as the exit layout for the sales invoice report, we're going to test it out by running it from within the custom report layouts page. Being satisfied with the new layout, we are now going to make this default and active layout for the sales invoice report. To do this, we will set the selected layout field in the report layout selection page to the newly created custom report layout. Step number 1, using a new custom report layouts page. To create a new custom report layout, we will use the new custom report layouts page, which can be found in the new report layout selection page. So we will open up the report layout selection page first, then open up the custom report layouts page, create new custom report layout based on the sales invoice report 1306. So we're now in NAV 2015, and the first thing we want to do is to go to the report layout selection page. So let's find this in the search. So rep and lay, and then I'll find the report layout selection page, and I will do some indexing, and now I'll search for the 1306. 1306 is a new sales invoice which contains both Word layout and RDLC layout. What we then need to do is click this new button here, custom reports, open this custom reports, and then create a new one. Now I have the possibility to insert the Word layout and insert RDLC layout. For this demo, we will use the Word layout, so we'll check mark this and say OK. Now I just need to give it a name here, so I'll call this my layout. Step number 2, editing custom report layout in Word. So we have now created a custom report layout, and it's time for us to edit this in Word. So from the custom report layout page, we will select to edit the layout. Word will open up, and we will make a few small changes, save the changes, and import the changes back into NAV 2015. So we're now back in NAV 2015, and it's now time for us to edit the layout. So I will select edit layout, and Word will open up, and we'll make some more changes. So let's expand this, and then I'll take the custom addresses, for example, here, and I can make them bold, I can make them red, for example. This is just a small change. And let's also make a change here for the line table down here. So I'll select the whole table. I'll go to my design, and then I will select one of these colors here. I'll, for example, take this one here. So I'll take the grid table, number 4. And now I'm done. I will save my report. I can save it back to NAV. And now before I do this, I get this message here that the report layout document has been opened in Word. Edit the report layout in Word and save the changes. That's what I just did. And then return to this message and choose yes to import the changes or no to cancel the changes. Well, I actually want to import my changes, so of course I want to import my changes, so I'll say yes to this. Now my changes are in my report object. Step number 3, test and make custom report layout active. So we have now made some changes to our report in Word, which we of course would like to see working. We will run the report from the custom report layouts page to verify that the changes we did in Word is displayed. We will make the custom report active, and at last we will print the report from the posted documents. Notice that I in a previous video have set report 1306 as a default report for invoices in the report selection page. So we're now back in NAV, and now it's time for us to have a look at how the report looks and all the changes that we did in Word. So let's run the report. We're now in the custom report layouts page. So the report is not active yet, so let's just have a look how it is. So before we make it active, we want to verify that we have actually done the right thing. So let's run the report, and let's print the PDF. And then when we open up in PDF, we can see that I have made my changes, so I'm happy. I now have the red color for the address. If I expand here so I can see the whole page, and also for the lines here, they are now the right colors, which I like for my report. So I'm happy with the changes, so I'll make these changes. I want to make this report here now the active one, so I will say OK to this custom report layouts page and say OK. And now in the report layout selection, I don't have a custom report selected here, so I want to go to the selected layout and want to use the drop down button here, go to custom layout, and then I will need to select here. I could have more here, but right now I have only one, so I'll select the one, and now I can see in the custom layout page here, I can see that I have my layout here. Notice that also here in the effect box here that I have my layout here, so if I have more than one, I also see that visible here from the report layout selection page. So what I want to do now is I want to verify that this report is running, and this is the active one, so say OK, and go to the posted documents, and then I will print the report, and I'll verify that the changes are in, and this is the active report. So then I have my red color, and I have my blue colors down here in the lines, so I'm happy. So to summarize, in step number 1, we created a new custom report layout based on the new sales invoice report 1306. In step number 2, we made changes to the custom report layout in Word. And finally, in step number 3, we made the custom report the active one and printed the report from the posted documents in the application. I hope you enjoyed this How Do I video. I'm Claus Lundstrøm, MVP for Microsoft Dynamics NAV. Thanks for watching.